In the last lecture, we have seen properties of system, state function, and process and its types. Then next point is sign convention of W and Q. W means work, Q means heat. Sign conventions: if number 1, Q, heat is released by the system. If Q is negative, then heat is released, heat is evolved, heat is given out. That is nothing but the Q is minus. Then Q, when positive, heat is absorbed, added, or supplied. These three words are used for this Q is positive. Then work is positive when work is done on the system by the surrounding. Work is done on the system by the surrounding, then work is positive. Then work is negative. Work is done on the surrounding by the system. These are the sign conventions of W and Q. म्हणजे काय, ज्यावेळी हीट ही गिवन आउट होते, रिलीज होते, इव्हॉल्व होते, त्यावेळी क्यूची व्हॅल्यू ही मायनस असते, म्हणजे ही रिॲक्शन एक्झोथर्मिक असते. ज्यावेळी हीट ॲब्सॉर्ब होते, सप्लाइड किंवा ॲड होते, त्यावेळी क्यूची व्हॅल्यू ही प्लस असते, म्हणजे त्याला आपण एंडोथर्मिक रिॲक्शन असं म्हणतो. त्याच्यानंतर वर्क हे पॉझिटिव्ह झालं असं आपण कधी म्हणतो, तर वर्क इज डन ऑन द सिस्टीम बाय द सराउंडिंग. जर ऑन द सिस्टीम असेल तर बाय द सराउंडिंग असेल, आणि ऑन द सराउंडिंग असेल तर बाय द सिस्टीम असेल. वर्क पॉझिटिव्ह कधी होतं, जेव्हा वर्क इज डन ऑन द सिस्टीम बाय द सराउंडिंग, देन वर्क इज ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्ह. देन वर्क इज निगेटिव्ह when work is done on the surrounding by the system. Work is done on the system by the surrounding, on the surrounding by the system. These are the sign conventions of W and Q which can be used for problems. Now next concept, expression for pressure volume type of work. Means the work done when gas expands or compresses against an external opposing pressure is called as pressure volume work. The work done when gas expands or compresses against an external opposing pressure is called as pressure volume type of work. Then consider an ideal gas enclosed in a cylinder fitted with movable, weightless, frictionless, movable piston. Let gas expands from V1 to V2 against an constant external pressure given by the piston. Due to expansion, piston moves upward direction by distance d. Then work is equal to, that is force into displacement. Work is equal to force into displacement, that means F into D. But pressure is equal to force upon area, that is force is equal to minus Px into A. This Px is external pressure. This minus sign because when piston moves against opposing force, internal energy of the system doing the work decreases. Therefore, work is negative, that is W is negative. The external pressure minus Px is for, the negative sign indicates that when piston moves against opposing force. This negative sign indicates that when piston moves against opposing force, internal energy of the system doing the work decreases. Therefore, this minus sign. Then putting this equation, W is equal to minus Px into A into D. But A into D is nothing but change in volume, that is delta V. Delta V is nothing but V2 minus V1. Final volume minus initial volume, that means delta V. Therefore, W is equal to minus Px into delta V. This is the expression for pressure volume type of work. W is equal to minus Px into delta V. This minus sign because this negative sign or indicates that when piston moves opposing force, piston moves against opposing force. Then when gas expands, work is done on the surrounding. That is according to sign convention. On the surrounding, since V2 is greater than V1. That means final volume is greater than initial volume. Therefore, work is negative. When the gas is compressed, work is done on the system. That since V1 is greater than V2. That means initial volume is greater than final volume. Work is positive. According to sign convention, the work is done on the system positive. Work is done on the surrounding negative. When gas expands, work is done on the surrounding. Remember, when gas expands, work is done on the surrounding, therefore it is negative. When gas is compressed, work is done on the system by the surrounding, then work is always positive. When gas expands, work is done on the surrounding. When gas compresses, work is done on the system. This is the sign convention. Remember that this is the expression for pressure volume type of work, that is W is equal to minus Px into delta V. Remember sign conventions for this formula for this next problems, that is W is positive when work is done on the system. W is negative when work is done on the surrounding. Q is negative when heat is released. Q is positive, then heat is absorbed.